Let's take a look at what it takes to SOAC-enable your services to join the collective, so to speak. If you haven't done so already, install SOAC Server, or if you already have a node or two set up and are just looking for a development node, you can download and use SOAC Express. SOAC Express is a lightweight development node that gives you basic functionality like discovery on your local development box. Once you push your services to a SOAC-enabled environment, it will automatically join the collective and gain the ability to participate in enterprise-wide discovery, metrics, diagnostics, etc. This project exposes a basic calculator service with a standard service contract and is set up to be hosted in IIS. If we deploy the service as is, aside from digging through log files and event logs, you're basically blind. How do you know what is happening with your service, or what other services are available? Are they up, down? Are they failing? If so, how often and why? How will you track down these failures or perform a root cause analysis? Which services are being called? Maybe you have services that are draining resources that shouldn't be, or maybe you're paying to host services that are hardly ever getting called. The big question is, what happens when you set them free into production? What happens when it's not a single service, but 5, 10, or 100 services spread across a dozen servers in your enterprise? All good questions, but in the world of SOA, you'd better have some good answers or you're in for a pretty rough ride. SOAC-enabled services transparently adopt the core functionality that lays the foundation for a rich SOA environment. It really allows you to focus on building your business requirements instead of your SOA infrastructure. So how do we get this service to join the collective? All you need to do is spin up your service with our factory and push it to any SOAC-enabled environment, and you're basically done. Let's go to the NuGet package manager and install package soak.servicehostfactory. We'll update the SVC to specify our factory like so. And we'll deploy. From the browser or our web API, you can see that the service automatically joins the collective, and we gain the visibility into our SOA infrastructure or cloud that is indispensable during development and post-production. If later on down the road you want to pop the service out of the collective, you simply revert to using the standard service host factory, and you're basically done.